We're here at Socorro's Lakefront Eatery Cafe. There's a little lake over there. And you wouldn't believe it, Google sent us on this road over here. We came through the back entrance. It was like the smallest road, and the guys had to come and open up the gate for us. Usually this is used for like the waste truck to come in. The entrance is actually over there, and it leads out to the main road. And I guess it sent us on that other way because it saves gas. So double check your routes. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to make an edit on Google for this one, but I don't know how to do it. I'm going to check to see if I could put a note on the place's website. Pretty impressive. Still hiding though, the Mayon volcano behind the clouds. Feeling shy tonight. Kind of fancy it. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. There's little treats. Little bones. Oh, look what they're doing here. She's making it here. That's awesome. Yeah, that's neat. Another one, she's doing the weaving. That's so cool. Wow, that's awesome. So beautiful. This Rose Cafe, sweet. But the restaurant's down here. We're gonna go down here, check it out. This Sumlang Lake. Sweet. Looks like a spring fed almost.
A few moments later.
I hear some giggling out there. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I thought I heard you. This is really cool. You can go up on the horse if you want. fireworks?
How old this place is? It's the
The next day.
Good morning. Already a bike accident here because the bikes like to zip around in the rain. They think they have all sorts of traction. But anyways, well, we're off, homeward bound. Just finished a nice McDo breakfast. And Mother Nature graced us with rain to wash the truck.
The Mother Nature don't let us see the Mayon volcano fall. Mayon.
Right? I know. I was like hoping we get to see it. Pouring rain. Nice rainbow. I don't know if you guys can notice that on the camera. Yeah, we're gonna sit and have a bite to eat now. We're 9 hours left until home. Thought this was a good place. We're kind of in the mountains here. Yeah.
1 hour later.
I guess that's up here. Yeah, the old zigzag road. Check it out, like they got all these things you just roll off the side if you happen to go off. I guess the big bus can't come on here.
No, we're going. Looks like they're all private.
Through the jungle, boys and girls.
Why does the kid here?
He's saying go.
He's doing
It's
traffic.
safe. Traffic for money.
You're supposed to give him money. He's
But you
talking.
can't stop Malcolm.
Yeah, someone's throwing a money and she picked up.
Oh, he just throw the money.
You're supposed to give the lady the piggy and the boy.
Yeah, well, you know what? You give all the money to the other kids, all the change.
But it's still got a chance.
They come here and they're
Slow down.
all want money. They're all asking for money. All these people, we saw them all the way up here. This is a crazy road, huh? This is like a three-tier drop here. And it says that it's a National Forest Park. And this is improved by President Ferdinand Marcos in 1969. Yeehaw! Pouring rain. Most of the day, I guess, has been raining, it seems like. And there's so many scooters out. Oh my god, even rain or shine, they're all over the road with the tricycles. They never take a break. Only means of transportation, obviously. Doing a drive-by in Lipa here. We're in Manila now. For some reason, Google didn't put us on the Skyway. Either that or I missed it. I even bought a load for auto sweep. Oh my god. I mean, we're moving to almost the same speed, but still, I like being up there to see all the lights. But now you guys can see what it's like down here, because apparently I have too much vlog from up top on the Skyway anyway, so
We're under.
now we're under the Skyway. Anyways, we're still getting home at the same time. Found my way up to the Skyway. A little bit more fast moving because I can make it up.
Meters, turn left on Kirino Avenue, C2.
Oh, and we are in Subic Bay, SBM name. Got some nice lights coming up. Just passing through Barreto now.